In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now to add a new one, use this plus at the bottom and begin by setting up an hour at the top. Then hit repeat and pick days of the week. Save them by hitting OK. Then tap on alarm sound. Tap on add new to pick any song from your smartphone. Select wake up with your favorite songs and podcasts to log in to Spotify and use music from it. Or pick one of those melodies by clicking on a perfect one for you. Then use this switcher next to vibrate to switch them off or on, and if you decided to enable vibrations, click on them on the left and tap on one of those patterns. You can also select follow music rhythms to synchronize the vibration with your current melody. Hit label to name it and OK to save its name. Then choose snooze to decide how many minutes it will take. And when you finished, use the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and tap on the best option for you from the pop-up. You can switch it on the same way. To make some changes to it, click on it, change whatever you want to, and tap on the same check mark. To get rid of it, hold it and tap on delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!